Hi, this is Mike Sheen, and you wanted to know the difference between whole life and term life insurance. Let's talk about whole life first. For that matter, let me tell you from the start. I have both. All right, I have whole life insurance and I have term, so I can speak professionally. I can speak personally. Whole life insurance is a type of insurance that you purchase has the death benefit, which to me is priority one. But part of your premium that you're putting into that whole life policy is going into a side bucket. All right, and that money's going to accumulate over time, and it's going to be credited interest by the insurance company. So as you get older, you're going to have some favorable options of how you could use that money. Primarily, the two that I see, and the one that I'm going to look to use is for income. You know, depending on the size of the premium and obviously the size of how that cash grows, that can be used for income. And the significance is that money you take out as income from a whole life policy is not earned passive or portfolio income, so it doesn't show up on your tax return. So it's tax free. All right, so pretty significant. Um, I have some folks that strictly buy whole life insurance for wealth building, for income producing, for money, for income producing assets in the future. Um, but it's not for everybody. Now, the term, on the other hand, that is as the name implies. It's for a term. Okay, most common that I have my clients, they purchase the 20 or 30-year term, which means the coverage stays the same and the premium stays the same for 20 or 30 years, depending on the term. It's less expensive because all you're really paying for is just the death benefit and nothing more. And what happens is at the end of that 20 or 30 years, the policy stops. Or a company may give you the option to continue the coverage, but you're going to pay a considerable more, you're going to pay a considerably higher premium because you're 20 or 30 years older. But it also has a place as well. Now, if you want to find out what's going to work best for you, go to www.yourlifeinsurance411.com. Click that link on. It's going to take you to my website. And on the upper right, it's going to show you where you put in your name, your email, and your phone number. And it'll say in a green button, quote me. And that'll come back to me. I'll reach out. We'll have a conversation to determine what's going to work best for you. We can kind of craft a plan that's going to fit for you and your family and your budget and get implemented. And I look forward to talking with you real soon. Again, go to the link below on the left, click it, go to the website, put your name, your email, phone number, and click the big green quote me button. And I look forward to talking with you soon.